Picture yourself standing on an open deck, salty breeze on your face, the sound of the ocean below, and the promise of a whole new port waiting on the horizon. That is the kind of feeling the Legend of the Seas has been offering cruisers ever since her name first appeared on the water. She is one of those ships that carries a certain reputation, the sort of vessel that longtime cruise fans mention with a knowing smile. For anyone thinking about booking a cabin on her, there is a lot to unpack. From the staterooms to the dining rooms, from the pool deck to the spa, this ship aims to deliver a full cruise experience without trying to be a floating theme park. It is a classic Royal Caribbean approach, polished for guests who want variety without chaos. So the real question is simple. Does the Legend of the Seas actually live up to the hype her name suggests? Time to take a proper walk through what she offers, deck by deck, and see whether she deserves a spot on any cruiser's wish list. The staterooms on Legend of the Seas follow the tried and tested Royal Caribbean formula, which means there is genuinely something for every type of traveler and every type of budget. Solo cruisers, couples, families, and big groups all get options that make sense for the way they like to travel. That is one of the quiet strengths of a ship like this. At the entry level, guests will find interior staterooms, which are perfect for people who plan to spend most of their day out and about the ship or in port. These rooms are cleverly designed to feel bigger than they actually are, with smart storage tucked into every corner. For anyone who really only sees their cabin as a place to sleep and shower, they represent excellent value. Step up a tier and there are ocean view staterooms, which give you that lovely natural light and a proper look at the sea while you sip a morning coffee. There is something special about waking up, opening the curtains and seeing water stretching to the horizon. It is a small luxury, but it is one that many cruisers happily pay a little extra for. Balcony staterooms take that experience even further, with a private outdoor space where you can enjoy sail-away moments, quiet mornings, or a nightcap under the stars. These tend to be the sweet spot for many guests, offering comfort without the top-tier price tag. The layout usually includes a sitting area, a decent bathroom, and enough space for 2 suitcases without turning the room into an obstacle course. At the top end, the suites open up a whole different level of the ship. Guests booking these enjoy more space, upgraded furnishings, better bathrooms, and often extra perks like priority boarding, dedicated dining areas, or concierge service. For special occasions like honeymoons, big birthdays, or anniversaries, a suite on this ship can turn a great holiday into a truly memorable one. Modern touches around the cabins tend to include useful little conveniences like flat-screen televisions, plenty of power outlets, and thoughtful lighting. Families are well looked after with connecting cabin options that let parents and children stay close without being on top of each other. Accessible staterooms are also part of the mix, designed with wider doors and roll-in bathroom features for guests who need them. When it comes to dining, Legend of the Seas plays to the strengths that Royal Caribbean has spent decades perfecting. The main dining room is the heart of the whole food operation, with multi-course dinners served across several nights and menus that rotate through familiar favorites and more adventurous plates. Attentive waiters who remember your name by night 2 are all part of that classic experience. For guests who prefer something more casual, the buffet-style venue is a lifeline. It is open across long hours, offers a big global spread, and is perfect for those days when you just want to grab food fast between activities. Everything from stir-fries to salads, roasts, pastas, and desserts tends to make an appearance, so nobody in the family goes hungry. Then come the specialty restaurants, and this is where things get interesting. These paid venues usually offer steakhouses, Italian trattorias, and other themed spots where the pace slows down and the plating gets a little fancier. It is worth booking at least one of these during the cruise, especially for a special evening when you want to feel a bit more spoiled. Themed nights are another nice touch that keep the dining experience from becoming repetitive. Whether it is a formal night with dressed-up guests, a tropical evening, or a chef's showcase, these little moments add character to the trip. Cruisers who love photos will find plenty of opportunities to dress up and capture memories. Bars and lounges are scattered generously around the ship, each with its own personality. Some lean toward relaxed with soft music and quiet conversation, others pack more energy with live bands, karaoke, or dancing. There are pool bars for a quick drink between swims, wine bars for slower sips, and cocktail spots for those who love watching a bartender put on a proper show. Coffee lovers usually find a specialty coffee bar somewhere on board where the espresso is stronger and the pastries are hard to resist. This is often the quiet gem of the ship for early risers who like to watch the world wake up with a good drink in hand. Small moments like these often become the highlights people remember later. Up top, the pool deck is where the ship really comes alive during sea days. The main pool sits at the center of the action, surrounded by lounge chairs, music, and the buzz of guests enjoying the sunshine. This is the spot where families gather, friends laugh over cold drinks, and everyone gets that classic cruise ship holiday feeling. For guests who want something calmer, there is usually an adults-only area that gives grown-ups a proper escape from the splashing and playful chaos. These zones tend to have their own pool or whirlpool, quieter loungers, and a more peaceful atmosphere overall. It is a lovely feature for couples or solo travelers who value some quiet time in the sun. Whirlpools around the ship offer that bubbling warm water bliss, particularly welcome in the cooler evenings when the sun goes down and the deck lights come on. Watching the stars while soaking in a hot tub is one of those simple cruise pleasures that never really gets old. It is a small thing, but it defines a good cruise night for many people. For anyone who wants to skip the pool but still enjoy the sunshine, the sun decks give plenty of quiet corners with loungers and shaded spots. Sea days can be spent with a book, a drink, and the sound of the ocean, and honestly that is many people's idea of the perfect afternoon. The pool deck on Legend of the Seas has that classic Royal Caribbean energy that keeps guests coming back. Onboard activities are where Royal Caribbean has built its long-running reputation, and Legend of the Seas keeps that tradition going. There is a mix of active, relaxed, and creative options that make sure no sea day ever feels boring. From sunrise to well past midnight, there is always something happening somewhere on the ship. Sports fans typically find courts for basketball, options for table tennis, and other outdoor games that let guests get their competitive spirit going. These spots are especially fun during the day when small tournaments and pickup games break out. Even guests who are not usually active often end up joining in just for the laughs. The fitness center is a full setup with cardio machines, weights, and space for stretching. It is the kind of place where morning regulars claim their favorite treadmill with a view of the ocean, which honestly makes any workout feel more rewarding. Group classes are usually offered too, though some may come with a small additional fee. Entertainment in the main theater tends to be a highlight of any cruise on this ship. Broadway-style production shows, live music, comedy nights, and guest performers each get their moment in the spotlight. The performances are professional, the costumes are elaborate, and the effort put into these shows is often more than guests expect. Beyond the theater, evenings on board can include live jazz in a lounge, dance nights with a DJ, or trivia contests that get shockingly competitive. There is also a casino for anyone who wants to try their luck, complete with tables, slot machines, and the classic buzz of a floating gaming floor. It is easy to lose an hour there without noticing. Cultural and educational moments also work their way into the schedule. Enrichment talks, cooking demonstrations, art auctions, and craft classes give guests a chance to try something new. These experiences add a little more meaning to the trip and often become unexpected favorites among cruisers who thought they were just there for the beaches. The spa and wellness side of the ship is designed to be a proper retreat from the buzz of the rest of the decks. Stepping inside, the atmosphere immediately changes. Softer lighting, gentle music, and calming scents create a mood that helps guests unwind before a single treatment even begins. The treatment menu usually covers all the classics, including massages, facials, body wraps, and specialized therapies. Whether guests want a deep tissue massage after a long day of exploring a port or a relaxing facial to celebrate a special occasion, there are options for every mood. Skilled therapists round out the experience with genuine care. Thermal features often include a sauna and steam room, which are perfect for a slow, restorative morning. These spaces are ideal for anyone who wants the benefits of spa time without booking a full treatment. A few quiet minutes in there can make an entire day feel calmer. Fitness lovers can join yoga sessions, spin classes, or other group workouts, which are a great way to stay active without stepping into a solo gym routine. There is something motivating about doing a downward dog while the ocean rolls past through the window. Small group settings also make it easier to meet fellow guests. Salon services complete the wellness offering with haircuts, styling, manicures, and pedicures available for guests who want to look polished for formal night or just treat themselves. Some cruisers make spa visits a regular part of their week on board, and it is easy to see why. It becomes part of the rhythm of the trip. Younger cruisers have not been forgotten either. The kids and teens clubs on the ship keep the youngest guests entertained with age-appropriate activities and dedicated spaces. This gives parents a real chance to enjoy some grown-up time, whether that is a quiet dinner, a spa treatment, or simply a nap in the sun. Younger children usually get imaginative play, arts and crafts, themed parties and games run by trained staff who genuinely seem to enjoy their work. It is the sort of environment where kids make new friends within an hour and start asking to go back before their parents even get to the pool. That is always a good sign. Tweens and teens get their own spaces to hang out, listen to music, play games, and enjoy events that are designed to feel more grown-up. Teen-only nights, sports competitions, and social gatherings help older kids feel like they have their own cruise experience separate from the family holiday. That balance is important on a ship of this style. Family activities also weave through the daily schedule with events that bring everyone together. Family game shows, deck parties, and shared meal moments create the kind of memories that stay with families long after the cruise ends. It is one of the many ways this ship works hard to please every generation on board. The ports of call are always a huge part of what makes any cruise special, and Legend of the Seas is no different. Depending on the itinerary, guests may explore beautiful coastlines, historic cities, tropical islands, or more off-the-beaten-path destinations. Every stop brings its own flavor, energy, and set of memories waiting to be made. Shore excursions are typically offered through the cruise line, with a wide variety of options that suit different interests and activity levels. There are usually gentle sightseeing tours for guests who prefer a slower pace, cultural experiences that dive deep into local heritage, and food and drink tastings for those who want to eat their way through a port. It is easy to find something that fits. Adventure lovers usually get their share too, with excursions like snorkeling, ziplining, hiking, or exploring underwater life. These are the kind of experiences that become the highlights of the trip when guests look back on the vacation. Even people who normally stick to the safer options often end up trying something more adventurous once the vibe of the cruise sets in. For guests who prefer to explore independently, most ports offer plenty to see within walking distance of the ship. Local markets, cafes, and cultural landmarks often sit just steps from the pier, making it easy to enjoy a port without booking a formal excursion. That flexibility is one of the joys of cruising. Looking at Legend of the Seas as a whole, she is a well-rounded ship that delivers the kind of classic cruise experience many guests love. She combines comfortable staterooms, a broad range of dining, strong entertainment, and a good balance between active and relaxing options. That balance is what keeps guests coming back to Royal Caribbean year after year. The strengths of the ship tend to shine through in the everyday moments. Friendly crew, dependable food, well-designed public spaces, and a strong entertainment lineup all add up to a solid experience. For guests who value a smooth, hassle-free cruise where things just work, she checks a lot of important boxes. On the other side, no ship is perfect, and Legend of the Seas may not have every headline-grabbing feature that the newest megaships offer. Guests looking for jaw-dropping thrill rides, huge water parks, or the very latest tech may find her a bit more classic in feel. That said, many cruisers see this as a strength rather than a weakness, since it means a calmer and more focused holiday. What really sets Legend of the Seas apart is the way she balances tradition with modern comfort. She feels like a proper cruise ship, not a floating amusement park, and that is exactly what a big segment of cruisers is looking for. It is a more measured pace where guests can enjoy the sea, the ports, and the experience without feeling overwhelmed by constant stimulation. Her selling point also lies in the reliability of the Royal Caribbean brand. Guests know what to expect when they step on board, from the service quality to the food standards to the entertainment lineup. That kind of consistency is a huge draw for repeat cruisers and first-timers alike who want to feel confident about their booking. Add to that a strong lineup of onboard venues, a friendly atmosphere, and a solid mix of activities for every age group, and you get a ship that stands comfortably in her category. She is not trying to be the biggest or the flashiest. She is trying to be the ship you enjoy so much that you book another cruise before your current one ends. For guests traveling for work or with a group, Legend of the Seas is often a good option for events and small conferences. Meeting spaces on ships like this can be used for group gatherings, private celebrations, or business events, all with the built-in charm of an ocean setting. That combination is hard to beat for anyone planning a special occasion. Guest experience really is where cruising lives or dies, and Legend of the Seas tends to deliver those quiet moments that stick in memory long after the trip ends. It might be the waiter who remembers your favorite drink by day 3, or the housekeeper who leaves a towel animal on the bed that instantly makes you smile. These small touches are the real magic of cruising. There is also the joy of sail-away nights when the ship pulls out of a port at sunset and everyone gathers on the top deck with a drink in hand. The music plays, the sky turns gold and orange, and every worry back home suddenly feels a very long way away. Moments like those tend to become the mental postcards guests carry with them for years. Whether it is dancing under the stars, laughing during a comedy show, meeting new friends at dinner, or simply enjoying a peaceful walk around the deck late at night, Legend of the Seas offers plenty of chances to create memories. She may not be the newest ship on the ocean, but she has heart, character, and a well-earned reputation. For cruisers looking for a proven experience without the chaos of the newest megaships, she remains a strong and welcoming choice.